Greetings, Darlene here from Darlene's Garden and Home. It's a sunshiny day outside, although it's cold. Well, let me look at my, hold on, I'll let you know. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's 30 degrees outside, 31. Depends on which thing you look at. It's 31 in one spot and 30 in another. Cold. We have not had any snow, none whatsoever, or any precipitation. It's only been frosty in the morning, even though our temperatures have gotten down into the low 20s. I think my hubby said it was in the high teens one night. Anyway, cold. And in the daytime, we've sometimes been getting up into the upper 30s, but nevertheless cold. But I thought I'd bring you along today for a tour of all of my indoor plants and let you know how they're doing. I've one plant I didn't show you. Actually, two plants that I didn't show you. If you remember, I planted some garlic in a pot, and my husband put it somewhere. He doesn't remember where, so I know it hasn't gotten watered, which means it had probably died. And then the other one is the azalea plant that we purchased, that he purchased for me, with the beautiful pink flowers. And he had it out in his man cave for a while, but then it looked like it died. So he put it out on the front porch on the table, and poof, it was all of a sudden had its pink flowers again. It liked it, and it's been sitting out there now lately since we've had the freezing temperatures. I don't know how it's doing. I'm hoping it stays alive because we want to get it planted out in the ground at some point. And my fig tree, which I'm going to show you in a little while, I'm thinking I should plant it in the ground too. It will need to be protected in the winter, but it doesn't need a lot of protection, just a little bit. It's a Chicago hardy, so it's built for cold weather. And theoretically it should be dormant. It was only dormant for a little while. When we brought it in, it lost all of its leaves, but then eventually started getting them again and shot up with a big branch, and you'll see it in a little bit. So let me go ahead and show you everything that I have growing. I hope you enjoy. These are some of my Hoyas. And this is a ficus, but it's a fake one. The Hoyas are real. This Fica is real. I don't know what kind of a Fica it is, but it looks very similar to the fake one. More Hoya. My praying hands. There's an angel. Yeah, a bowl and some angel wings. I think they might have come off of something, but I don't know what. A picture of the little one is my mom. Okay, and this is my pothos. It's doing quite nicely. And this one I can never remember the name of, so I've got it's a calathea. I don't know why I can't remember the name of it, but it's kind of got variegated leaves. It just got watered this morning, so it should unfurl its leaves a little bit better there. I think this is a lipstick plant. Oh, it looks like one of the branches. There. Behind that is a cactus, which hasn't bloomed. These are starts of a Hoya. There's a bunch of them in there. Down here's another cactus, Christmas or Thanksgiving. And down here, a couple of years ago, at least a couple of years ago, I put some Hoya leaves in there to try to get leaf cuttings, and they are obviously still alive. So one of these times I need to repot them and see what we get. This is my fig tree. We put white rocks in there so the cat wouldn't get in. And it looks to be about almost 5 feet tall. This is my violet, my African violet. I got a few leaves on the bottom there that just kind of need to come off. Let's see if I have anything else. Yeah, at the bottom. That should help. And it bloomed. You saw the blooms. Oh, I hope it blooms again. And here are my basils that are coming up. And this is a paper white, and it has come up, but it hasn't bloomed. I've had this for a couple of years. It hasn't ever bloomed. And these are my little, I think they're a jade, or a type of jade. This, and this, my amaryllis. They grew long leaves, and I didn't give them a rest period, so I cut the leaves off, and they either will rest or they'll grow more. I don't know which they'll do. My Christmas poinsettia. I was hoping to keep it alive. It doesn't look like it's going to cooperate with me. Another Hoya. Another Hoya. This. I think that might be garlic. I'm not sure. I tried to put several things in there, and they haven't come up. This used to be an orchid, and who knows why I kept it. It isn't alive, but it keeps getting watered. My Siam tulip, I don't think it's going to survive either. And over there we have another Hoya. Down here I have, those are cut hydrangeas and roses, dried, that I'm keeping just because they're pretty. And down here I have some, my aloe plant, and I put this, let's see, I wanted this to kind of stand up. I think I should have worked on it earlier to get it to be upright instead of sideways like that. But anyway, I think that pretty much, that's pretty much the extent of my indoor garden at this point in time. And out in my husband's man cave on the windowsill, he has some hydrangea cuttings and a fig cutting. And one more thing. Oh, the sweet potato slips that are growing in water on the windowsill. All 3 different containers, obviously. So Don't have a picture of those, but they're doing nicely. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So may your day be wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Chase after God. He'll find you. See you next time.